In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily undo photo delete on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then let's say we accidentally deleted some photo and we want to get it back. We can easily do so because all the photos we deleted are not actually permanently deleted. They are moved to recently deleted album and stored there for 30 days. To find that album, tap right here to head over to albums and then scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find that album, and if we get into it, it will show us all the photos we deleted in 30 days, and down below each photo it shows us the exact number of days left until this particular photo will be automatically permanently deleted. So guys, from here we can restore any photo to our camera roll. To do that, just long press on a photo and then tap at recover. That will immediately move that photo from recently deleted to your main camera roll. Here it is. However, from here you can permanently delete photos if you wish to do so without waiting for 30 days. To do that, tap at any photo, long press at any photo and tap at delete. It will say that this action will delete the selected photo from iCloud and from all your connected devices. To continue, tap right here. In the same way, we are able to recover or delete multiple pictures at once. To do that, tap at select, then select several pictures, and then tap right here at three dots, and after that select either you would like to recover or delete that pictures. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.